Assalamu alaikum. My name is Taki Khan and today we are going to discuss how we can import and export the files in R. So basically today we have four topics to discuss. First one, how we can import and export the CSV file into R, and next one is text file into R, then SPSS file into R, and fourth one is how we can import and export the Excel file into R without installing the Java. Let's we move to R to discuss this topic in detail. So if you are a beginner and you don't want to write the command to import the file, I have an option to import the file in easy way. You just go here in import file. If you want to read the CSV file, just go into from text read R, then go to folder where your file is located. For example, here I have a CSV file with the name of time1. When you will open this file in code preview, you can check here the R automatically generated the code for importing the file. You can copy this code and import the file. So you can check here that the file is imported here. Code which you have copied from the code preview section, you just paste that code here to import this file again without wasting your time. For example, if you want to read this file again, you just run this code and you will automatically import this file again. If you want to export this file, you just write CSV, name of the file which you want to export, the folder where you want to export, new name of this file, and extension of CSV. When you will run this command, your file is automatically exported into folder. For example, here you can check that your file is exported here. If you want to import text file, you just go here and from this text base select the text file and open. Click on yes to retain the column name and just import. So you have imported the text file. You can copy this command and paste here to import this file again without wasting the time or without repeating this session. Now if you want to export this file, you just write delim time2. This is the name of the file, and this is location of your file where you want to export this file, and this is new name of the file, and this is an extension of text file. When you will run this command, your file will be automatically exported in the folder. So here is the your new file. Similarly, you can write and export the SPSS file. If you go here from this SPSS option, you can import the SPSS file in same pattern and export it in same way. And last one is the how we can read and write the Excel file. You just go into Excel and select the Excel file. For example, here is the Excel file. When I will open this, I can copy this code, pasted this code here to read this file next time. If you want to export this file, you just updated the library of write Excel, and after installing this library, you just write xlsx and name of the file, and this is location of the folder, and this is the new name of your file, and this is extension of your Excel file. When you will run this command, your file will be exported into the folder. For example, here you can check that your file is exported into the folder. So guys, this was a two-day lecture. If you have any confusion, you can comment me below. You can subscribe my channel to get such type of videos. Allah Hafiz.